Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to register for the Dave Ramsey class at St. Anne's Church. After you click here on our St. Anne Adult Faith Formation website page, it'll take you to the Dave Ramsey registration page. So on the left-hand side, you'll see the full schedule. That lists the topics that we'll be talking about and on which day. On the right-hand side are your membership options. The monthly fee is a $69 activation fee with a $9.99 price per month. The annual fee is $109, and it's actually what Dave Ramsey recommends. So I would start with that, and it's good for a couple. Each of these plans auto renewals after a year, but you don't have to continue. You can cancel on their website at any time. So if we go down to sign me up, that'll take you to a form on their website where you can fill in all your information and your debit card information, and you'll sign up just like you would buy anything off of the internet. If you don't have a debit card, there's a button on the bottom corner that says have a question, and then you can send them information on that. They do require debit cards and do not take credit cards. If there's an issue with that, like I said, you can send them a question and they might be able to help you. If you have any other questions, contact me at sholden, SHOLDEN, at santanne.org, and I'll try and help you as much as possible. We hope to see you on January 28th. I took this class a few years ago and highly recommend it. So we hope to see you then.